Hello and welcome to my channel Theo's Cooking. Now that we have to stay home, fresh bread might become a bit harder to get hold of. But don't worry, I will show you a very easy recipe to make your own bread with just 4 ingredients. Place 500 grams of bread flour. Then add 10 grams of dry yeast. If you want to use fresh yeast, put 20 grams. Next, we need to add 280 grams of warm water. Set it on a medium speed and mix it for about 5 minutes. At this point, add 10 grams of salt and continue mixing. Once you finish mixing, you need to have a sticky dough. Put some flour on your hands and try and form it into a rough ball. Then cover it with some cling film, and you need to let it rest in a warm place until it doubles in size. I placed mine in the oven with just the light on for about an hour. When it's ready, place an oven-proof casserole in the oven and turn the heat up to 250 degrees Celsius. The casserole in the oven needs to be really hot before we place the dough inside. It's nice and springy. Sprinkle some flour on top of the dough and some on your hands and place it on a work surface. Add a bit more flour on the work surface and on the dough, and now we're going to form it into a ball using the folding technique. Work it slightly with your hands and form a rectangle. Then fold it twice like this. Then we do the same from the other side. Repeat the process a couple of times. And then tuck it underneath, just like this, so you shape it into a nice ball. Then we dust it with some flour and we cover it with a towel or some cling film. And then we need to let it rest for about 10-15 minutes. Now we gently lift it and pop it into the hot casserole. Then using a knife, we're gonna score it in a cross shape about 1 centimeter deep. If you feel a bit more creative, you can draw some different shapes on top. Now put the lid on and place it in the hot oven. We need to bake it for 30 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. Then we remove the lid and then we place it back into the oven for another 20 minutes, but reducing the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius. Needless to say that at this point our kitchen smells like a bakery. Our bread is finally ready. Now we need to place it on a griddle. Sprinkle it with a little bit of water and cover it with a towel. And we need to leave it like that until it cools down slightly. And now the time is here. Let's cut this beauty and see what we've made. As you can hear, it's super crunchy. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so now. Also, if you liked the video, don't forget to like it and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next time, take care.